Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data processing speed with Amazon Web Services, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase data processing speed with Amazon Web Services, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Services menu to find and select Amazon EC2. Launch a new EC2 instance tailored for your processing needs. Choose an instance type that offers high CPU and memory capacity, such as the C series or R series. Configure the instance settings, ensuring you select the appropriate VPC and subnet. Enable auto-scaling to adjust to your processing requirements dynamically. Once the instance is running, install the necessary software packages for data processing. For large datasets, consider using Amazon S3 for storage and easy access. Utilize Amazon Elastic MapReduce for parallel processing, breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Consider leveraging AWS Lambda for serverless computing, which scales automatically. Implement Amazon RDS for managed databases, optimizing performance and reducing latency. Test your setup with small datasets first to monitor performance improvements. Analyze the results and fine-tune your configurations based on your observations. Make use of AWS CloudWatch to monitor performance and resource utilization continuously. If necessary, adjust your instance type or storage solutions based on workload requirements. For complex workloads, explore using Amazon Redshift for data warehousing capabilities. Finally, document your setup and configurations for future reference and optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.